class. Now, this is going to be one of the more interesting classes out of all of the videos that we've got here on Skillshare. So what I'm going to be doing is going into detail around the search engine optimization within Fiverr itself. So one of the real keys to making sales within Fiverr is ranking your gig high on the search for some of the main keywords. Now, this is crucial whether it's eBay, Google, Amazon, or Fiverr is included as well. It's a huge part of the marketplace, and nailing the SEO on your gig can make or break your Fiverr career for sure. What we're going to do is we're going to look at how to find keywords. We're also then going to see how to find alternative versions of those keywords and really understand what buyers are searching for to then take that and then put that onto your gig to ensure that your gig is SEO optimized for whatever you're selling your gig in. So here we are on the Fiverr homepage, and I've just flicked to buying mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use writing as a service, or copywriting. So to start to begin to find some seed keyword ideas, all I'm going to do is simply go into Find Services and type in the word copywriting and see what comes up. So before I hit enter, I don't need to go on to the next page. What we can see here is that copywriting as a single word is very popular. Sales copywriting has come up, email copywriting, Facebook ad copywriting, copywriting for websites, and Amazon listing copywriting. So automatically and straight away, Fiverr is already auto-suggesting some very popular keywords to you. So this is a really great way to kind of get some snippets of keywords. Let's say, for example, we're going to specialize in email copywriting. What I can then do from there is look at typing the word email, let's see what comes up. Okay, marketing could be a decent keyword there. Let's look at email writing, nothing comes up there. Email copywriting, nothing comes up there as well. So I think the main one is going to be email and sales copywriting, along with copywriting as a word as well. So this is a really great way to find some seed keywords. We could do the same, for example, so let's look at SEO. And what we get here is SEO as a single keyword that I've just searched. We've got SEO service, SEO YouTube, SEO keyword research, article writing, and so on. You get the point. So this is a really great way to find keywords. So have a go and see what you can find here. So there are a few key things that you have to do to sprinkle the keywords now we've found them into the gig. So going on the SEO example, as we can see here, if we look at SEO, there's a few different keywords that come up, and SEO backlinks is one of them. So let's have a look here. This is a top-rated seller that we have on Fiverr. He appears quite high for a lot of search terms in regards to SEO. So let's have a look at what he's doing and pick out how he's optimizing his gig to rank for the killer keywords that are getting him the sales. So as you can see here, he's got 41 orders in his queue, and he's only got 245 reviews. So this gig is very popular at the moment. So what we can see here is we know that, for example, here we can see that SEO backlinks is the keyword, SEO service, SEO keyword research. So what he's done has sprinkled that main keyword, SEO backlinks, straight into his title. So that's point number one, is put the keyword into the title. So he's saying here, I will 150 SEO backlinks, white hat manual link building service, Google top ranking. So what he's also done here as well, I think I can see, is if I type in the word manual backlinks, manual link building is also a keyword. So he's taken this keyword and he's put that also into his title. So what he's done is stuffed his title with, I can see, probably a mixture or variation of 2 or 3 keywords, but he's been quite clever because people will be searching for things like white hat backlinks, which is essentially this keyword here backwards. So there's different variations here, but it's a really well optimized title, which you would expect for a search engine seller on Fiverr. The next key area is also here where he's selling the service. So there aren't any buy now buttons because this seller's on holiday, so I can't see it. But what he's done here is put things like foundation backlinks or white hat foundation backlinks into the title of the product that he's selling. It's also within the description of the product as well. And then we go down to the description of the gig as well. So the key here is to find the keyword and put that also into the description as well. So let's try and find some live examples of what he's done here. So SEO specialist is a good case for a keyword. So link building service is straight away in the description. High quality backlinks is in there as well. Let's have a look, what else can we find? Okay, yeah, so it's not too extreme. So just to recap here, so if I type in link building, what you can see here is link building, SEO link building backlinks, manual link building. So remember all of those words, and we can see those sprinkled within the description itself. And it's as simple as that. Find the keywords, put it in the title, and then also put it in the description as well. And this will send a stronger signal to Fiverr to say, hey, this is what this gig is all about. Please listen and rank me when people search for this keyword. The next area, and we've already touched on this in creating the killer profile, is make sure your keyword, and he doesn't do this, but I highly recommend it, is put your keyword into the tagline in your profile, because that also is displayed on each gig that you sell. The other area is also in the description on your profile as well, so just make sure it appears in all these locations. Some of the places where you can put it, although this is optional, is into the FAQs itself. Now, I've read a lot of threads on the Fiverr forums about this, and there's no clear-cut, definitive research that proves this, but some people say it helps, some people say it doesn't really make much of a difference. But one thing to do is put the keyword into your FAQs, be that in the questions or in the description itself. And then the very, very, very last part of the gig, and I'll show you this as we start to create your gig and we go through step by step how to create your very first gig on Fiverr, is related tags. Now, the tags are also a huge part. So you can see here from the keywords that we've researched, he's got SEO service, that came up on the search. Manual backlinks, we've seen that in the search. SEO backlinks, we've definitely seen that one. The single word backlinks and link building. So we've seen all of those words appear in those auto-suggested search terms. They're all over his gig description and his gig title, and then they're also within his 5 available tags that he's put on his profile as well. And that is essentially how to SEO optimize your Fiverr gig. It's not rocket science. It's essentially taking what Fiverr suggests to you and seeing some of the popular terms that it throws back, and then putting those keywords into your gig, because that's what people are searching for. Stay tuned for the next class. What we're going to do is actually start going through creating your very first gig and showing step by step everything we've learned so far, from the levels to creating a killer profile, understanding the SEO, and just generally understanding what niche and what type of gig that you want to sell. In the next class, we're going to go through step by step how to create that gig and how to take everything we've learned so far into practice.